5 facts about American buffalo or bison. Buffaloes are unpredictable, so be careful when you meet one. They are wild species and never been tamed. Buffaloes joined bald eagle and named the national mammal of the United States on 2016. They are a symbol of American identity. Yellowstone National Park is the only place in the U.S. where bison have continuously lived since prehistoric times. Despite their massive size, bisons are pretty athletic. They can run at speeds approaching 35 miles per hour and can jump over 6 feet. While bisons have poor eyesight, they have excellent senses of smell and hearing.